Hi, welcome to my channel Artsy Hub. So today I'm going to do a beautiful charcoal shading of Lord Ganesh and Lord Shiva. So this is going to be a very beautiful shading. You can either do charcoal shading of this or graphite shading. So I've done the charcoal shading using charcoal pencils here. And this is going to be a complete step-by-step process video. So first I've divided the page and on the right side I've made this curve here, which is similar to S shape, and this is going to be a little hill shape here, and it is going to be big. Trunk is going to be small at the other end. The right side it gets bigger. Next I'm going to start drawing the head. This is going to be the head portion here, and this is going to be the eyes, and draw it lightly. I'm going to first draw it light using my graphite pencils, and then I'm going to draw it dark using my charcoal. So this is initially I'm just sketching it with light graphite pencils. Now first I'll be drawing the eyes. It's going to be a leaf shape, then oval. Please see it in terms of shapes here. Next is the hair. So roughly draw these curvy lines and mark the hair. Now I'm going to do the tilak. It's going to be like Trishul shape over here. This is a bit difficult now. Next, a small half circle, and then the 3 nama here on the forehead, exactly on the forehead. So you're going to do around 6 lines over here. Next, so this step has to be drawn very light. Then we are going to make it dark once we finish the rough sketching. Now I'm going to make some hair here. I'm just going to mark it with hair. Now just a C shape over here. On the right side leave a little bit space and draw this. It's easy. I'm going to change the shape over here, make it a little smaller here, do some corrections, and even near this portion I'm going to make it a little fat. Let me erase. Okay, next on the left side I'm going to draw a circle, and then inside I'm going to draw Lord Shiva here, and it has a nice glowing effect. We are going to add a lot of effects over here. So I'm going to use a gum tape here and draw a circle. You can even try it freehand or using compass also. I've used a gum tape here. Next, now inside this let's draw Lord Shiva. So this is very easy. We are drawing in terms of shapes here. So first I've drawn a center line. Next I'm just going to draw this shape over here, which is going to be the legs. So make sure left side and right side is equal here. That's why you have drawn the center line, so that we get both sides symmetric. Now the stomach portion, the chest portion, again in terms of boxes. And then after drawing two box, let's draw a neck, small neck, and two angular lines. Let's change the chest line here. Let's make it little angular, which is going to be the shoulder, and after that we are going to do oval exactly at the center. So this is going to be the head and the hair. Yes. Next, I'm going to draw the hand like oval shape over here first. So one more oval of equal length here, both left side, right side equal it has to be, and the shape has to be equal. Next, the palm. The Trishul on the left side, I'm going to draw a straight vertical line. So roughly, please draw it roughly and lightly using normal pencils, HB pencil. That's it, we have roughly finished the sketch work here. Now next we are going to shade using charcoal pencils. If you don't have charcoal pencils, you can use your graphite pencils, dark pencils like 6B pencil, 8B pencil or 10B pencil here. Now first I'm going to use my charcoal pencil and give an outline over here. I'm going to do this part a bit slow. Let me erase all the unwanted lines. And I'll just start shading from this part, from the left side, not from the right side, because you're going to keep your palm on the right side, that's why. And if you keep your palm on the right side, there's a chance that your entire drawing might get messy. So I'm going to use my left side here first. Now let us start shading. Just fast forward the video now. Okay, so here I'm going to use either you can use your cotton earbuds or you can use stumps. I'm going to use stumps, shading stumps. If you don't have shading stumps, you can use your cotton earbuds as well. Now here, when you're shading this eyes, the highlight portion, just reserve it white and blend the rest by giving an outline first and blending it inside. It has to be done light to dark method. Very slowly this has to be done. So next, little by little, increasing the darkness using stumps or cotton earbuds. Now just little by little creating form here using the stumps. So you're not supposed to directly make it dark, but it's going to be light to dark. So initially shade it light. Next, leaving the 3 marks, I'm going to shade the rest. Little more blending using stumps. So whatever charcoal that was there in my stumps, I'm going to blend it. Not going to add some extra. Now even here I'm going to do it lightly. Next, adding a little more darkness. Now using my charcoal pencils, I'm going to do some curvy strokes for the hair. Yes, strokes. Even here at the top, I'm going to add a bit of strokes. Next, filling this entire top end, the right side portion, with lots and lots of hair. So increasing the hair. Next I'm going to use my tissue, and using my tissue here I folded the tissue and I'm going to blend this. So here what I did was I took a little charcoal from the right side here like this, and I've added on the left side in this way. I'm going to take little by little charcoal powder here from the right side, and then I'm going to blend it. Now the eyelashes here, it's going to be like a curvy strokes here downwards. Next, let me cover this entire region here using my soft pencil, the dark pencil. If you're using a Camlin pencil here, you can use a soft pencil. So here I'm trying to create that round effect. So curvy direction shading, I'm following this method. I'm just trying to reserve that space as white because I need that glowing effect here. So I've just shaded only this much, and next I'm going to use tissue for blending this to make it very smooth. Now as you can see, I'm just pulling the tissue a little up little by little and making it like a glowing effect over here. Little by little, adding some glowing effect. And then here above the trunk here, even here, I'm going to make it dark. Background is going to be dark, adding a little bit of hair even here on the right side. So the entire drawing has become a little messy. Not to worry, it will look beautiful when it's done. So here, leaving these spaces, I'm going to shade this area dark. Next, again use the tissue for blending. I'm going to cover this, both the right side region, left side region, all the corners very dark. We have almost finished. Now here I'm going to use my eraser to create some highlights, and will also create some outline here. So here just a little bit erasing has to be done here, just a little, so that it becomes like a highlights. Okay, and then I'm going to add an outline with black wherever is needed. So here just erasing this region where it has to be completely white. That's it, we have finished. So I have framed this beautiful sketch, and this is how it looks. Yes, thank you for watching. Bye bye.